would request to stand up and wave to this as our president, justices of the Court of Appeal, High Court judges and their worships, and staff. Thank you very much. It was important, Your Excellency, to put together the whole and to dance together as a demonstration of the commitment to the fight against security. Your Excellency, we also have religious leaders and leaders of many faith organizations. The first one was the most reverend Sunday Dali in the front, with the Archbishop of the Church of Uganda, and together with the entire house of bishops. Please stand up and wave to the president. And